What's up, you guys? It's your boy Apey, baby man. Before I get into this video, you guys, I gotta give a shout out to my what? Ape Squad! Ape Squad! You guys, this video, you already see how the thumbnail is already presented. Let me just cut the chase and get into this video, you guys. Let's get it! Shut the fuck up! Alright, you guys, let me break this down to you. Let me start from the beginning. Alright, you guys want to make money, right? You want to do what you love is to make that video. Alright, you came to the right place. Let me break this down to you, because other people I've been watching, they ain't breaking shit down for y'all right. If y'all some YouTubers, upcoming YouTubers, you can make a lot of money by just doing videos, crazy videos, fun videos, reaction videos, etc. So let me stop the chit chat. Let me get into this shit. You know what I'm saying? This is how you make money. This is how you get to that butter. Alright, you start up a channel, right? Make it any kind of name, whatever you want. So right when you got your channel made and all that, start dropping videos like on a. You don't have to do it consistently. You have to be consistent. Yes. What the fuck is I'm talking about? You gotta be consistent. You gotta drop good videos, great quality. You don't really need that much quality, just from iPhone 6 and up. When you got that down pat, which majority of you do, go ahead and start dropping them videos. Learn how to edit, learn how to put pop-ups, learn how to do a lot of things that YouTubers are doing. Take what they doing and put it in your own video. Find your niche. Find, like, you're a comedian, you want entertainment, you want you like a people blog or something. Find your niche. Then when you got those down pat, go ahead and start dropping videos like a bitch. Start dropping videos like, set up a schedule that works best for you. If some of you guys do 9-to-5 jobs, some of you guys are kids, majority of you are kids, right? Then when you're done with that, find a schedule. Start posting up, say like you want to post on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Continue doing that. If you have nothing to do, you could go ahead and start dropping the videos like every week or every day. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm dropping videos. Seem like I'm dropping videos like every day or every other day, because I'm still doing my story time, so I need to get back into that. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Then just keep, like, have the ball rolling. You're gonna see the subscribers. Don't think about the money all the time, because if you think about the money, you're gonna lose focus on why you're doing it. And shit, god damn it, hit the fucking blind. Just do it because you love making videos. You start your channel, start making videos, be consistent with it. Then when YouTube start to see you being consistent and you keep uploading all the time on a regular, that's when your subscriber base is gonna go up. That's when your views is gonna go up. Your attention is gonna be front and center. Then you got all that. That's when you need to make that ching. This is how you make the money, you guys. This is how you make the money. You gotta have over 1,000 or hit just 1,000 subscribers. You can't make money with YouTube unless you done went viral like a motherfucker, which some of us are not. We just starting. So when you have a subscriber base with 1,000 subscribers, and that's when you're gonna be available to start making money, like your first $1 a month, your first whatever the case may be. And then you gotta make your videos do numbers. Then you gotta keep staying on that. You gotta build your scale all the way down, all the way up. After that, that's when you're gonna start making money. You're gonna start seeing residuals. You're gonna start seeing things that you want. And then you could make money outside of YouTube with affiliate links. Put them in your description below. Start sending your fans or your family to those links, and then they're gonna be your loyal fans, your loyal family. Me, I don't like that word fan. I'm not popular. I ain't shit yet. I call you guys my family, Ape family, you know what I'm saying? But just make sure you guys stay consistent. Get the tools that you need. If you don't have the money, the funds for it, it's okay. You could do things on a phone, iPhone from 6 and up. You know what I'm saying? 6. That's a 6 plus or whatever. If you got that, you can start making a channel. You can start being successful. You can start being somebody, you know what I'm saying? But you guys are already somebody because you here living, you watching my videos, so you ain't gotta worry about that fan shit, the money, the glory, all that extra shit. Me, I'm doing videos because I love making videos. I love talking to you guys. I love putting up great content for you guys to check out live and just to keep sharing with your friends. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumb bell over there. And turn on that notification bell, you know what I'm saying? Join the 8 notification gang, you know what I'm saying? Every time I upload a video, you guys get it first. The other people get it last, you know what I'm saying? That's how you guys make money on YouTube. I just had to break that down. That was the simplest way to make money on YouTube. Just have your phone. You don't gotta have no camera. You see me, I'm doing my shit in my house. I ain't got none of that fancy stuff that some of these YouTubers have. You don't need all that shit. Just stay consistent, believe in yourself, go for your dreams, and anything is possible, you know what I'm saying? And one thing that I always say, you guys, if you screaming Apey, don't forget the baby. Let's get it.
My son ain't gotta work because he gon' inherit it. We your gang first, you don't need know your heritage. Took the cash from